Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Meta ads, and that is call campaign. So you also know about Google and other paid platform where you can run ads. You can directly get call from the ads if you will use some kind of extensions in the ads and everything as well. So in the same way, we can use Meta advertisement to make customer directly call us. We will give that option in the ads. So it is an objective which is provided by Meta ads account, so that we can create that type of ads in which we will give them the option to directly call us if they are interested after seeing our ad. So in today's video I will let you know about detailed overview of how we can create that campaign, how we can do it, so that you also have the idea how you can get the call leads from Meta ads campaign. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much. First of all, we just need to click on the create button, and after that you will see different options like the awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales. As you know, we need to have call leads. Basically this video is about call lead campaign, so we will use the leads objective here, and then I will click on the continue button. So after that it will redirect me to the campaigns level. We just need to choose by type our auction, and the campaign objective we will choose as a lead because we need to get call leads from the campaign. And it's up to you whether you want to run the campaign on campaign level budget or ad set budget. I will recommend if you run a single ad set campaign, then always give the budget at the campaign level. But if you will running multiple ad set in a single campaign, then I will recommend use the ad set level budget. So right now I'm using the campaign level budget because I will only create one ad set. So after that you just need to go to the ad set level, and here is the main part where we need to describe your particular objective campaign. As you know, by default it will set the conversion location as website and instant form. So you just need to click on it, and after that in the single option you will get the option of call. So make sure this option will check off, because otherwise it is not a call campaign. Otherwise it will be a lead based campaign with any of these particular conversion locations. So make sure you will choose the call option, so that you will create a call campaign. And our performance goal will always maximum number of calls. It is already set by default, so you don't need to do anything here. After that you can use the Facebook page. After that you just need to go to the audience level. You can set your audience that I need a broad audience in Canada, so you can do it at your end as well. And rest, what kind of audience targeting, what kind of other things like the demographic, placement, you can use those settings according to your options, because I think you know your business more, you know your audience more, so you can set it according to your convenience. After that you just need to go to the lead based ad. Here you need to create the ad, and first of all it will ask you for add the code, basically the number. So let's suppose I will choose this, and my country code is this. One second, I will choose United States as a country code, and I will put number. So now I have add the number here. I have choose the country code and number here. It is the number where you will get the calls. So I will recommend always use your numbers here, so that if somebody will want to call you directly by seeing your ad, so they will easily do it on your number. After that we will have some option like enable callback request. If you want to give them a callback request, then it will be in the sheet as well. And if you want them to get a callback message on their messengers, so they will get a callback message on the messenger as well. So you can choose the option wisely. After that you just need to add a creative. That is the things which we have already discussed. Let's do this one, this video, and yeah. So yes, as you can see now we have those options here. We just need to click on the publish button, as I have set it everything, and you will also see how we can do it. And this is how we create a call now, basically a call lead campaign in the Meta Ads Manager, so that you will get directly calls from the client and you can convert them easily. So once the campaign will be published, let's take time. So as you can see, the campaign is published now, and new lead campaign call request. You will see the calls if somebody call you through the ads and the call will placed, so you will get that results like conversion request here. So here you can see the results, how much people have seen your ad and call you, and accordingly you will optimize the campaign in a better way. So I think now you can able to do it at your end as well, how to create a cold lead campaign in Meta Ads account. If you have any query and concern regarding them, you can directly put the question in the comment, YouTube video comment, and if you want to contact me, you can directly contact me to the number flashing on the screen. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.